Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about structure of potassium chloride and sodium chloride. Here, let us assume that KCl or NaCl crystal structure it is shown in figure, and the circles represent potassium, that is K, or sodium ions, and dot here from this figure dot represents the chlorine ions. Here the two kinds form an interlocked FCC cube. Here potassium has 19 electrons while chlorine has 17 electrons. When combination takes place, potassium loses one electron and becomes electropositive, and chlorine gains one electron and becomes electronegative. And consequently each ion like potassium or chlorine both have 18 electrons in the combined state. Here the scattering of X-rays depends on the number of electrons present in the crystal, and each of these ions scattered to the same extent. Hence, the various set of planes of ions become indistinguishable, and the crystal analysis should give the ratio of grating spaces as that of a simple cubic system, like 1 is to 1 by root 2 is to 1 by root 3 for 100, 110 and 11111 planes respectively. Then take the interplanar spacing like D100 is to D110 is to D111 equals 1 is to 1 by root 2 is to 1 by root 3 equals 1 is to square root of root 2, and then take 1 by square root 2, that is 0.707 is to 0.577. Now Bragg's law condition is 2d sin theta equals n lambda, and d equals n lambda by 2 sin theta. Here n equals 1 first order, then it is lambda by 2 sin theta. Therefore here d is inversely proportional to square angle, that is sin theta for a given wavelength. And experimentally Bragg's reflection for various set of planes has been compared, and this was found to be the planes 100, 110 and 111 planes are found to be angles 5.22 degree, 7.30 degree and 9.05 degree respectively. Then taking these angles, the ratio of Bragg's spacing is 1 by sine 5.22 degree is to 1 by sine 7.30 degree is to 1 by sine 9.05 degree equals 1 is to 0.707 is to 0.577, indicating that KCl has simple cubic structure. See, finally it can be concluded that the ratio remains the same even if the lattice corners are made up of KCl molecules instead of ions. However, by comparing this with X-ray diffraction by NaCl, here NaCl is shown to be a face-centered cubic structure with ions and not molecules at the lattice corners. The reason why it says that KCl appears to be of simple cubic structure in X-ray diffraction, and it may be understood after the study of structure of NaCl. Here the main importance is here KCl means K plus Cl minus. Here potassium 19 electrons, chlorine 17. When combination takes place, what happens? Potassium loses one electron, chlorine gains 1 electron. If potassium loses 1 electron, it becomes electropositive. Chlorine gains 1 electron, which means electronegative. Here both potassium and chloride both have, after gaining and losing electrons, both having 18 electrons in the combined state. And here this depends on scattering of X-rays, depends on the number of electrons present in KCl. Then consider three planes 100, 110, 111 and take the interplanar spacing, that is D. Then use Bragg's condition, n lambda equals 2d sin theta. The here angle is 3 planes corresponding to 3 planes like 5.22 degree, 7.30 degree and 9.05 degree. Then take angle of sine of 5.22 degree, sine of 7.30 degree and sine of 9.05 degree. Finally we get the ratio 1:0.707 is to 0.577. For then it is both the planes shows same interplanar spacing. Then why it is called KCl as simple cubic structure. See, this is the explanation related to KCl crystal.